terms of the skepticism now around the AI trade, skepticism around Bitcoin. Are they, in fact, related, do you think?
Related, but not related.
Yeah.
You know, I think the AI trade, I mean, it's been a juggernaut, and we know that the visibility for the next few years is really good. But now investors are just trying to figure out how much to discount, you know, what's the appropriate price to put. And that could drive some profit taking because they've done so well this year. On the crypto side, I think that there has been some concerns about, you know, quantum. And then there was that huge deleveraging event on October 10th. But the crypto fundamental story, I mean, is exiting on a really high note this year. You know, the U.S. government passed legislation and regulations favorable for crypto. And we know Wall Street has expressed a lot of interest in building products on the blockchain. So it's almost like they both have great visibility, but the price levels are just what's being uncertain. Because today there's only 4 million Bitcoin wallets with $10,000 in it. There's 900 million IRA and brokerage accounts globally that have $10,000. So that's 200 times larger market. With regard to AI, I do think that the business models need to evolve. You know, you can't just charge $20 a month. I mean, really AI, agentic services, but the market ends up being huge because in the U.S., it's really making 130 million existing workers into super workers. I mean, that's a several trillion-dollar market just in the U.S. alone. So I think there's still opportunities.
When do you think that we're going to see the tipping point? But do you see a step change 18 months out from now? Is that 5 years out from now? Some CTOs and others who are actually saying, you know, we're actually not getting the value out of some of these products that we were hoping to.
Yeah, I think we're in what I'd call the bleeding edge phase, like where everything feels like the tech is in front of the applications. That happened in mobile, which I studied for 17 years, and in internet early days. You know, like when color phones first came out on mobile, or even keyboards, people kind of sneered and said, you know, who's going to be using a color screen? And remember famously what happened when the iPhone was launched and dismissed it and saying it's just a toy.
Right.
I think we're at that phase with AI where the capabilities will blossom and then services will follow. But that, as you know, the future happens faster than many expect. I believe that AI stocks, especially stocks like NVIDIA, are going to actually re-rate higher. Because if Walmart and Costco trade at 37 to 45 times earnings because they're predictable, then NVIDIA shouldn't be 27 times, even at record highs.